eyebrows waxed. This is so before.
Don't you forget it, the person you fell forever do for reasons only because you hate me.
This is the finished look. I'm about to go to this photo shoot and it's gonna go so good, and yeah, I really like it. This is the photo shoot studio. It's really cute. This is where I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna change.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away.
This is my second look. Cute. I'm on the Calvary slip-on heels. This guy. I'm on my way to my lash appointment right now. Yesterday I got my nails done. I really like them.
It's a Wonderful Life. Number 3 is Elbow.
But it's just so cute. Like,
number 6
she really ain't on my nails. I'm getting my lashes done today, and then I'm getting my hair done, and I'm getting my toes done after my lashes, and then I'm getting my hair done tomorrow.
I do not agree with this.
And then it's gonna be my birthday, and then that's gonna be the end of the vlog.
Where is a Charlie Brown's Christmas story?
Just
Like, those are my top 2.
I had to
I
go
would say Charlie
get a
Brown would be number
package.
1.
I did
and
lashes
then Home
earlier
Alone would come
today,
in a close
so
second.
I
And
did
then
lashes
number
at
3 would be like
9
Best Man
a.m.
Holiday.
Then I was just doing my
They ain't got none of these on this list.
and then
And I
I
don't
just
like
got
it
ready
whatsoever.
and did everything Charlotte told me.
404-741-1075.
And then I had to go pick up my bundles and a bunch of other like packages for the party tomorrow. So now I'm just on the way to my lash appointment. I had to take my hair out today so I can do it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna see how when I'm at my lash. But this is my outfit though. Boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you. So I just got my lashes done. I really like them. They're really cute. She did exactly what I asked for. I can't even lie. They're tea. I'm gonna go back to her again and see what else she could do, because I be seeing on her page. It's at Mixed by Marley. She did a really good job. I'm getting my toes done right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can't try to run and hide.
Y'all, I literally had to dye my hair. Today is my hair appointment. I have a hair appointment at 1:30. I asked her to push it back to 1:30. 15 minutes left for the dye in my hair. I had to dye my hair because I forgot to get the dye yesterday. I actually made it on time. Well, I'm about to make it on time to my hair appointment. Okay, guys, I got my cake. We're gonna take all this off and then we're gonna decorate it and make it pink. I just wanted a white cake. Almost done with decorating. It's coming out so cute. Like, getting so excited. I hope people don't come yet though. Like, at least when I'm like half ready, that's when people come. Like, that's what I'm hoping. So. And then I like text them, oh, where you at? Like, I've been ready.
What's that?
Huh?
What you trying to do? Need help?
I'm trying to screw this on, but... Yeah, can you screw this on for me, please? The cupcake stuff.
Little birthday vlog. Hop in this motherfucker. Dude, we taking it over real quick.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Rich. What you? Look, I told her for one. This is a one-time thing. I'll call her the queen on her birthday.
The queen.
Hell no.
The queen.
Not hell no.
I ain't calling her that shit.
Damn, she can't get the queen on her birthday.
It's okay. You can get the queen on her birthday. I'm just trying.
Like but I'm not gonna be calling her. I'm just gonna say happy birthday to the queen.
Hell no, not throughout the day, but I'll definitely say happy birthday to the queen. That's cool.
Can't do
Where
it too
the
much.
other string at?
What?
Where the number?
Why do you not have the actual screwdriver?
It
Why you
wasn't
shouldn't
working.
need it?
I'm gonna hope, because we didn't screw it properly.
Nice.
So, we're gonna just be like, it's revolving.
No, make it balance.
Yeah, I'm gonna put
Yes.
Yeah, that's part of the balance.
I'm about to share it to you.
No.
Y'all, look! What's up, you? This is my best friend, Tanai.
You should glue this
Look, Tanai.
above your hey guys.
And then...
Wait, Richie, you finishing our birthday right now? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Richie. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. I just want this. Guys, they made breakfast. We did. Ooh, you cooked. That's 10. The sausages are...
Hey, put it on.
Bruh.
No, I'm about to really.
We should've
I'm about
probably-
to really post our reference to that song when the quotes really.
Oh my god.
Wait, what she say? Shade black.
Okay, we're going ice skating right now. Our reservation was at 2:30, but it's 3:30. So let's hope we still get to skate.
I know. Did they write something on your thing?
No.
Yeah.
They wrote something on
If
yours?
you're not late, if you're on time,
Then you didn't get dressed.
like
You're not dressed.
We was trying to be on time and still was late.
Right. Oh, really? We're gonna go skating right now. We're at Atlantic Station.
Oh no, is this Nancy?
Bow. I'm doing it.
You go play.
Yeah. She finna take their stuff. The little red things. She talking They don't need it. Look tonight.
Hold up. I think I got it. Hold up. Cause I'm not gonna like run.
Okay.
Going back on the
road. Okay.
I'm not doing
No, you have to. We gonna teach you.
I'm literally slipping.
We're gonna teach you.
It's not funny. Now put your foot in.
We're literally gonna teach you.
You can tell you hold on to the rail.
No, I can't.
Okay, guys.
Wait, guys. 2.5 better. Yeah, look.
She's taking.
I mean, but these are
That's cute.
alright.
I want to take. Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
I wouldn't have jacket.
We're out here, guys. Embarrass yourself. Go, Richie Rich. Hey.
She on the ice. Hey. Lala Pink Unicorn. This is all pink. Lala Pink. It's body oils and stuff. These are so
That's
cute.
so cool. See, I need to hurry up and learn how to do it.
Yeah, so you could do it.
So I can make these. Let me see.
Look.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
I was gonna say smell the coffee.
Y'all look. We're at the festival. I love when festivals are here. Like, it's really so freaking cute. We just went ice skating. I didn't fall one time. Boss fell like 5 times. We're at Monster Cookie right now because they love a sweet treat.
Wait, guys, we can get 4 packs for $14.
Yeah.
Are you good right now?
What version? Like, do you guys have mocktails?
Oh, we can do a monster.
Yeah, that's you know when you go to a restaurant and they got them to
It's so nice in here.
Everybody say hi. It's Richie's birthday. Guys, I'm here and I'm so sad because I can't even eat because I have to leave, but I live like an hour away. So I gotta leave my Richie, but I still came to sit with her for like the 30 minutes I could. Or 40. And I stayed the night. Rich, your thing about to die.
Yeah, no. You said it's a little bit. This is what everybody got. Dang, we already started.
That damn sushi roll I got was nasty as fuck.
Sorry.
Yes.
That's funny when I do this. It's supposed to be a creme brulee or like a little mix, but this is a lot better. This food is all inside. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rrichadia. Happy birthday to you.